Welcome to RVN Travel Adventures and another modest product review. I just received in the old mail via USPS a product in this little box here. Let's open it up and see what we got inside first. I brought my wife's knife. She uses this knife to gut, animals and stuff like that. She does a pretty good job at it, being a wilderness girl that she is. It's razor sharp. Ooh-wee, that just cut through it like butter. So let's see what we got in the package today. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's the AutoOne JWA2 jump starter with air compressor. Let me say again, air compressor. And it's has a 59.2 watt-hour capacity, and has a USB output and charging input and charging time. It says there 4.5 and has an inflation pressure range of up to 150 psi, which is pretty good, I think. I've had some of these contraptions sent to me, and they can barely inflate up to 40 psi. They only work on the truck. Did not work on the RV, which required 65. So this is just an unboxing. I just thought I'd show it to you. Let me open it up again. I'm going to be using my wife's knife right here. Let me see what I got here. Let me see what's the best way to open it up. Let me just try right here. Got to make sure not to cut myself because this thing's seriously sharp. My wife likes to sharpen her blades to a fine edge. She has various stones, uses various oils, and she likes to sharpen her knives. Super sharp, super sharp. So here's the little opening right there. Let me see what's inside the contraption here. Hey, inside the box was this box. And we got this container. Very nice from the folks. Let me see what's inside this. Again, let me open it up and unzip it. First we have the unit. Let me put that over here. We have the instrucciones for the AutoOne Quick Guide, JWA2 Jump Starter with air compressor. I wasn't here. I was in Los Angeles at an exhibition opening and a panel discussion that I was a part of in Los Angeles, Riverside area. And this was delivered while I was over there, and I asked my neighbor to grab it off my porch before the porch pirates get it and save it at her house, and she did that. And she goes, and I told her, she asked me, what is the box? I sent her a picture. She says, I want that. Can I have it? So here's some of the accessories. Here's the attachment right here, so you can do jump start. There it is, jump start. It has two very nice, again, this is standard stuff. And here's some, for inflating things from, your basketballs, your beach balls, etc., etc. It has a USB-A to USB-C charge cord. And here's the old hose to inflate it. It connects right there to the unit. Let's get the unit out. The last one of these companies sent me one of these things, and my wife has it in her car right now, and I shook it. You could hear the parts inside shake. I have another one which is absolutely excellent. Let's hope this is excellent too, from the folks at AutoOne. And this is just unboxed. It has a power on right here. And you can see that it has 3 bars. It has a light right there. And then it has a 36 psi, 35 psi, 45 psi. That's various models. It says basketball right there. It has a basketball picture right there. It says 8 psi, 36, motorcycle, bicycle, again, basketball. Car, I missed the car last time. I apologize. Motorcycle, bicycle, basketball. Let me see if it adjusts. I can raise it and I can lower it. Essentially, right here goes the pump. On the other model that I received to review, this piece right here, where it connects to right here, started falling apart. That's not a good thing. Especially when my wife, let me turn off the light. Let me turn off the light. There it goes off. Especially when my wife has to use it in case she gets a flat. I'm going to give this to my wife after I'm done with the review. It costs about $100, which she should appreciate. And here, right here, is, and I'll be doing a more intense review. I'll inflate one of my bicycle tires, one of my car tires, my truck tire, and my RV tires. Let me see if I can open this up. Let me use one of these contraptions to open it up. I don't have any other tools. I don't want to use this because it'll cut right through it. And I don't want to upset my wife, since especially if she has that knife, she might get mad at me. She might get very mad at me. So I'm going to stick that under there. There we go. Hey, I did it. If I can do it, you can do it too. So that's where this contraption right here goes right here. It looks like it only goes one way. One's a square end, one's a round. So we have square end, square, let me show you, square and round on the bottom. So let me put that in there. And put that in there and show you. And there we are. We can jumpstart the vehicle, apparently. So we'll do some tests. We'll see how. I don't have anything dead at this time, a dead battery, so I can't, jumpstart anything. My truck battery, I have a new truck battery. My wife has a new battery in her motorcycle. Not her motorcycle. I have a motorcycle, but I mean on her Subaru. And my lawnmower, my riding lawnmower, has a new battery too. I've been replacing a lot of batteries. So this would jumpstart it if it was dead. But my lawnmower, because it's winter, is being trickle charged, so it's topped off, no problems. And my RV batteries are all solar. I have my solar getting started, keeping those powered on. So that goes right there. Oof, oofta. How does it come off? You have to wiggle it. Whew. That requires a lot of work. So there it is. The AutoOne has a number 1 right there. And this inflates tires and it has little information that says, vehicle. Then it has like a bicycle. And then it has like a picture of a basketball. So even I can figure that out. And it has simple instructions here. I'll be testing it out eventually. I'm still recuperating from my trip from Los Angeles. Parties every night. Every night I was down there having a good time. And I'm still recuperating. I have to catch up on my sleep. This old guy has to catch up on his sleep. Thank you for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. I'm also currently reviewing, I reviewed it on my photo channel, this product right here, this well-making portable torch projector snoot. And you want to know what a snoot is? And with gobos, gobo is that, what you see this little pattern behind me. So essentially you have a light that projects, and it projects this in the background. I just wanted to give it a little test. See what do you think? Comment about the AutoOne and also about the well-making product and this product right here. Let me show it so you can see it. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty soon, in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I'll be doing some camping. I'm very excited. I'm super stoked. As they say in Los Angeles, stoked. From Fort Worth, Texas, don't forget to check links in the description to this product and 1,000 other million products that I've reviewed over the last zillion years. Gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. I'll have again, links in the description to products, to memberships, to Patreon, etc., to other videos. Again, gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. Bye-bye.